here by this other one, by this M. Okay, or there's good too.
We're gonna move Toodles.
Oh yeah, definitely don't want to hit Toodles.
We're gonna go by Toodles.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, Donald likes to golf. You should definitely go by Donald. Perfect.
That was close.
Good job.
We're gonna hit that one again.
Okay, go hit that one.
We're gonna get that ball.
Okay, get that ball. Good job. Good hit, buddy. So that was a good one. Good job, buddy.